Hello friends, in today's class it is boxes and sketches. Dear students, last class we learned about some cutout. The cutout with 6 faces, and then we check which of the following cutout will be fold into cube and which of the following will not fold into cube. After that we discuss about page number 123, an open box, means box with 5 faces. So obviously the box with 5 faces, so the cutout of such box will be there were only 5 faces. So we discussed some cutout with 5 faces and tried to fold with an open box. Some of cutout were folding into an open box, and some of the 5 faces cutout were not folding into 5 faces into an open box. Now see, in today's class it is related to the cutout with 5 faces only. See page number 123. It is one question is given here. So 128. This question is here. Find out which of other 8 faces on page number 46 can be folded into make an open box. तो पेज नंबर 46 पर कुछ कटआउट दिए है बेटा. उन कटआउट में से हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि which of these cutout will be fold into open box and which of them will not fold into open box. So see, find out which of other 8 shape, means we have to find out at least 8 shape which can be folded into an open box, can be folded to make an open box. तो इसमें से कौन से शेप ऐसे हैं कि जो हमें यहाँ पर ओपन बॉक्स में फोल्ड हो सकते हैं. तो सी these are here some cutout. So how many cutout here है बेटा? When you will count each one, there are total 12 cutout are there, and out of this 12 cutout we have to find out which of these 8 will be folded into an open box. इनमें से कौन से ऐसे हैं कि जो ओपन बॉक्स में फोल्ड हो सकते हैं. So here we will try this one. Now I have the pieces of these 12 cutouts. So we will check this one. So this is for example 1. This is matching with like this. ये आपका जो है बेटा कटआउट इसके साथ मैच कर रहा है इस कलर के साथ. ओके, तो सी आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई this one. Answer me. See this one. 1 square, 2 shape, 3, 4, and this one is 5. Okay, like this. See, this is one cutout. Now what we have to do? We have to check whether it will be fall into open box or not. क्या आपका ये open box होगा कि नहीं होगा चेक करते आइए. See, so when you will fold it, so it will be like this. See, it will be fold like this. So it means it is folding into an open box. Okay, so this is one. Then next, see, all these are cut out from this page number only this 46. Second one, see, this type of the cutout is there again. One, 2, 3, 4, and this 4. Okay, see, these are the cutout again. These are cutout. Now see, try to fold this one like this. आप इसे फोल्ड करने की कोशिश कीजिए. See, it is also folding into an open box. ये भी आपका एक open box फोल्ड हो रहा है. Number 2 हुआ. Now number 3. Anyone you can take as number 3. So this is one example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces cutout. ट्राई टू विद दिस वन. इसके साथ भी आप ट्राई कीजिए. See this one. Now try to check whether it is folded into or not. See this one. It is also changing into. It is also folding into an open box. So this one is 1, 2, 3. These are folding into an open box. Now try to with fourth one. We have to check at least 8. No, we have to find out 8 one. See, this is one more design here. This is blue color design pink. See, in your textbook it is this one blue color. So it is look like this one. Okay, so see, it will like this one. Now see, try to fold this one and see, it is folding into an open box. It is folding into an open box. Now see, this shape सी दिस शेप इज मैचिंग विद दिस वन. आपका ये जो शेप है बच्चों, ये देखिए, दिस वन इज मैचिंग विद दिस वन शेप लाइक दिस. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू दिस वन. इसके साथ हम चेक करके देखेंगे whether it is folding into an open box or not. See, it is shaped with 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. Now we will try to check whether it is folding into an open box. Yes, it is also folding into an open box. It is also open into open box. Now see this one. Number 6. Try this one. 6. It is matching with this shape. This shape. See, now try to fold it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. See, it is folding into an open box. So it is like this. Okay, it is like this. So this one is also folding. Now again we have to find out remaining 2 1. We have to find out 2 there. See, this is T color shape, T shape. It is like this. We will try with this one now. It is like this. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes are there. 5 cutout are there. Okay. Now check this one. Yes. See, all these are also, this is also folding into an open box. Now last one, 8. See, this is one shape and this shape is matching with this one, your blue color shape. This shape is matching with your blue color shape in this picture here, page number 46. It is like this. देखिए, ये आपका इस तरह का है. It has been over. ये चेक हो चुका है. It has been over now. Just a minute. So okay, this one is here. So it is same with 5 pieces now again. It is same with 5 pieces. So when you will fold this one also, it will also fold into an open box. So see, these are the 5 pieces which will be folded into an open box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 7 and 8. These are the 8 pieces which will be folded into an open box. Now come to page number again 128. Page number 128. See, the question is here. What is this question? Boxes and shapes. Boxes and shape. So see, some boxes and their shapes are given here. What is this question? Boxes and boxes match the shape into which it will fold. Match the shape into which it will be fold. So see, dear students, some shapes are there. Now these are the shapes. See, this one is shape. This one is also one shape. Like that, these 4 shapes are there. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes are there. Now what we have to do? We have to try to fold and then we have to match with which one it will be matched. So see, this is one. Now try to fold from dotted line. Dotted line से fold करेंगे बेटा. So see, it is like this. ये आपका इस तरह match हो रहा है बेटा. And it is looking like this pyramid. It will look like this pyramid. ये आपका pyramid की तरह match हो रहा है इस तरह का. ये देखिए. So see, we can match this one with this one. Now then next, to see, it's very simple. So when you will fold like this, आप उसको जब फोल्ड करेंगे तो इट विल बी मैच विद दिस वन पाइप, ये आपका पाइप के साथ मैच हो जाएगा. एंड सी दिस वन इज सेट, दिस इज मैचिंग विद दिस सेट. नाउ ट्राई टू फोल्ड दिस वन, आप इससे फोल्ड करने की कोशिश कीजिए. इट विल बी मैच विद लाइक दिस पेंसिल and this remaining it will be matched with this cone shape. So these are the shapes, they are cut out and after folding this will be matched with this one. Now come to page number 129. Page number 129. See what is this? It is floor map. One picture of floor map is given here and see it is window symbol, it is one more window, third window, fourth window. Total 4 windows are given in this floor map and this is for door. ये आपके door है बेटा. बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 8 में आपसे हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हाउ टू नो द डायरेक्शन इन मैप. So it is upper direction, north, south, east and west. So same direction here. This is north direction, south direction, west and this is east. Now please see this picture and try to answer. The question is here, which is the front side of her house? Which is the front side of this house? तो इस घर की front side कौन सी है? So what is support to know what? How to know the front side? So what is supporting material information is given here to know the what is front, which one is the front side. तो front side जानने के लिए यहाँ पर आपको कौन सा supporting दिया है बेटा? तो say in this floor map only one door is there. So this is one door. तो obviously it is your front side. ये आपका front side होगा. तो say in which direction it is door there बेटा? Direction door जो है तो किस direction में? It is given to the south side. ये साउथ है, डाउन साइड साउथ. तो क्या लिखेंगे? विच इज द फ्रंट साइड ऑफ द हाउस? साउथ डायरेक्शन. ये लिखेंगे आप. सी इट इज फ्रंट साइड, इट इज फ्रंट साइड. आंसर में लिखेंगे द साउथ डायरेक्शन इज फ्रंट साइड ऑफ दिस हाउस. Of this house, okay? क्या है आपका? Which is the front side of this house? See, south direction is front side of this house. South direction is front side of this house. इस घर की जो south direction है, ये आपकी घर की front side है. Now come to question number B. इसी क्वेश्चन में आपका इसी फ्लोर मैप के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन B दिया है बेटा. See, here are 4 deep drawings. So these A, B, C and D. These are 4 deep drawings which are given on page number 129. ये आपका पेज नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 पर दिए हुए. देखिए these are the 4 deep drawings A, B, C, D. Now which of these is matching with this floor map? इनमें से कौन सा फ्लोर मैप deep drawing इस फ्लोर मैप के साथ मैच हो रहा है वो हमें देखना है. तो see in your floor map 1, 2, 3, 4 window and 1 door is there. But in all these 4 deep drawing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 only windows are there. One window, fourth window is not given here. So what is reason? That is back side, so it is not visible. वो आपको कंसीडर करना है बेटा. अब देखिए try to match this one A design with say this floor map. इस floor map के साथ आपको मैच करना है whether it is matching with this or not. तो देखिए in this floor, in this deep drawing A, this line is straight and it is not straight. This one is not straight, so it is not matching with this one. Okay? It's not matching with this one. Then come to B. See, this is matching with this one. Okay, but window is given here, and this window in this floor map it is not window here. Window is not here, so this is also not correct. So A and B both are not correct. Now see picture number C and D. Picture number C and D. तो see, this one is C, this आपका C है, and this one is your map number, deep drawing number D. So both are looking same here. आपको दोनों लगभग सेम दिख रहा है बेटा, but what is little different is there. देखिए, ये difference ये है कि in this floor map, see, the window, this window is given in corner, it like this, but here it is given in middle of this wall. In between of this wall, middle of this wall, so this D number is not matching, so C is matching here, so we can say this one is correct. This one is correct. This is small difference is there. So this way we find out which of these deep drawing is matching with this floor map. See A, B, C and D 4 are there. So which of these? Only C number, the deep drawing number C is matching with this floor map which is given on page number 129. So this way today we discuss this much point only to find out which of this cutout will be folded into open box, and which of this cutout is matching with this shape, and then floor map, then direction, which of this is front profile of this house, and then try to match this floor map with the drip drawing. These are 4 drip drawing, and try to match which is the correct drip drawing of this floor map. Thank you.